Hello everyone, welcome to Monday. Really big day for us today. The S&P 500 was up 0.8%, which was great, but we did much better than that overall. We have 12 pieces that are targeted indexes and are two individual stocks. 10 of those were above the market, and some of them by a lot. Microsoft was up 4.3%. That's a lot more than the S&P's 0.8. Your innovative technology was up 4.1% today. Cybersecurity was up 3.7%. So some really big numbers, and we're starting to see some movement. You know, I've said before, these companies are the future. They're also in the right spot during this particular pandemic, and we are seeing a movement towards those. We had a period of time just even last week where technology was lagging, but on Friday it went ahead, then today it's up even more. So sometimes these things have to settle down, and then that encourages some buying, and then all of a sudden you get these jumps and this momentum as people come back in. The S&P 500 actually got into positive territory today for the year. And so, our accounts as a whole have been positive for the year for quite a while because we're quite a bit ahead of the S&P 500. But that's a fairly significant milestone. Also, today was the highest day so far for the S&P 500 for the recovery. Now, the all-time high was back on the 19th of February, so we still have a ways to go to get there. And please keep in mind that there's a lot of rough road to go before we can probably really get there because there's a fair amount of volume sitting above us for prices. And so that's what's happened today. Great day. Really excited to see everything working so well. And I look forward to talking to you about what might happen tomorrow. Thank you.